Here's another one that we just finished protecting at Capital Paint Protection Film in Sanford, North Carolina. This brand new Mazda Miata MX-5 RF. We protected the entire front end, which means the full hood, the full fenders, the bumper. We also did the bumper trim, the gloss black in the center and the splitter. And oftentimes for vehicles, we recommend protecting the rocker panels and these black side skirts because your own tires are going to kick up rocks and damage those areas. So in addition to the lower rockers, we also did behind the rear tire called the rear tire splash. And strangely, the way that these Mazda Miatas are designed on the inside of the door panel, there's actually a painted section of the door panel. So we protected that for them as well as their door sills. And so the headlights are protected. That protects from sandblasting and pitting over time, and even that cloudiness and haziness that can happen after years. So this whole front end is protected. It's great. On top of the paint protection film, we ceramic coated the entire vehicle. That is for ease of cleaning and chemical resistance against bird droppings and bug acids. And just to make it a lot easier to clean and just maintaining the shine for many years. So this is another one that we're proud of our work on. So we'd be happy to protect your new car for you. Give us a call.